In this video, I will show you two ways to connect your PS5 controller to your TCL TV. And for this, you do not necessarily have to use your TCL TV remote control. Now over here, I do have a TCL Smart Android TV, but this should also work out for literally any type of TCL TV, whether it's the TCL Google TV, TCL Roku TV, or any type of TCL TV at all. And for the first and easiest method, what you need is a USB to USB-C cable like this one over here. Now, with a USB to USB-C cable like this one over here, you can simply just connect one end of the cable, which is the USB-C part of the cable, to the USB-C port on your PS5 controller, and then connect this other end to any of the USB ports on your TCL TV. Regardless of the type of TCL TV you have, this should work. And if your TV has more than one USB port, just connect it to any of the USB ports. It should also work pretty well. And I have just connected mine. As soon as you connect it, you should now be able to navigate through your TCL TV with your PS5 controller, and it works absolutely well. You can also play games, so you do not necessarily have to get your TCL TV remote control to pair your PS5 controller with the TV. But if this is not a very good option for you, maybe because you do not have a long USB to USB-C cable, then you want to try out the second method, which is via Bluetooth. Now for the Bluetooth method, you actually need a way to get to the Bluetooth of your TCL TV. So if you have your TCL remote control, you can go ahead and use your TCL TV remote control. But if you do not have the remote control, you can use the first method to simply just navigate to the Bluetooth settings so that this method will work for you. Now, whichever one you want to do, just navigate to the settings of your TCL TV, usually at the top right hand side, where we have the settings or gear icon. And from here, you want to locate the Bluetooth settings. Most times it should actually be under the connection or connectivity settings, but for TCL Androids and Google TV, just scroll all the way down. You're going to see the remote and accessories. Tap on it to open up the Bluetooth, and if you have the toggle button, just make sure you toggle on the Bluetooth of your TCL TV. In my case, I just have to tap on the add accessories option over here, then click on OK, and your TCL TV should automatically start searching for available devices to connect to. Now at this point, you want to get your PS5 controller, and you also want to put it on pairing mode. And to put it on pairing mode, you have to long press on the PlayStation button and any of the three buttons we have over here. Now keep in mind that the triangle button is already dedicated for your PS5 console, so that you can automatically connect back to your console. But you can go ahead and long press on the PlayStation and the O button, or the PlayStation and the X button, or even the PlayStation and the square button to pair your PS5 controller to your TCL TV, and also map out the pairing button you choose for your TCL TV specifically, so that you can easily just use your controller with the TV anytime you want. In my case, I will just long press on the PlayStation button and the O button. Yours can be the X or the square button. Once you long press on both buttons, keep on holding it until you start seeing the light on your PS5 controller blinking rapidly, and you should be able to find your PS5 DualSense controller from over here. So you can go ahead and select on it, and once you select on it, it should automatically pair with your PS5 DualSense controller as well. So click on pair and you're good to go. So at this point, you can easily just navigate through your TCL TV with your PS5 controller, and this works absolutely well. You can also play games as well, but if at any point you want to unpair it from your TCL TV and maybe pair it back to your PS5 console, you can long press on the PlayStation button and the triangle button, which is dedicated for your PlayStation, and automatically it should disconnect from your TCL TV just like so. And if I want to go back and set it to my TCL TV, I do not need to go through all of the entire process again. I just have to long press on the PlayStation button and the circle button until the light becomes steady. So just press and hold about 2 to 3 seconds, then you can release it, then wait for the light to become steady and entirely blue. Now it is now steady and entirely blue, so I can now use it to control my TCL TV again. If this video was helpful, please let me know in the comment section and subscribe to this YouTube channel, guys.